What's up, YouTube? This is Escada Magnetism by Escada. And this is it's an oriental woody fragrance, but it's a very enigmatic animalic kind of scent. Like, you get in the opening, it's going to be very fizzy. And then it's going to settle down with some leather, and, you're going to have some musk and amber that's definitely going to kick in. And there's some vanilla and tallow balsam. And now tallow balsam, it's very interesting. It actually gives an almost spicy aroma. So with this, you get kind of a complex dry down. And it's definitely a different smell. This one will stand out in the crowd. Like, this is very unique fragrance. And by unique doesn't always mean it's going to be good or bad. I mean, in this case, I don't know. It was discontinued because a lot of people honestly didn't get into it so much. So Escada probably wasn't making enough money on this. But, there's a lot of people that either love it or hate it. And this one, it definitely gets very warm in the dry down. And it starts to kick in. You get a lot of very animalic notes. So it's definitely a very sensual kind of fragrance. This is not something you can wear to office work. And it does project, and it does have long-lasting power. So I would definitely recommend this one if you're looking for something different. I mean, it might be your next signature. I honestly really like the fragrance. I think it's very different, and, you have some spices in this, but they're well done. Like, there's pepper and saffron in this fragrance, and very few fragrances have saffron. And tallow balsam, same way. It's very rare in a fragrance, so this one definitely does stand out. And, it was made by Michael Almirak. And he's done the Chrome Flankers, and he has also done a lot of the Bond series colognes. And he's also made Gucci one, which is actually good. So, I mean, they had good talent making this fragrance. I think the problem was they just didn't have enough people that really got into it. So, it was definitely discontinued, probably for that reason. And, it's made by the scent house Escada, which is a German company. And Escada tends to make heavier fragrances, and they tend to make very sensual colognes. And they use different ingredients, so they have kind of a unique smell. And some people like Escada and some people don't. So it definitely has an Escada feel, in my opinion. But I think it's one of their better fragrances. And thanks for watching.